In today's video, I will teach you how to do smudge painting in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP, then load the image that you want to smudge paint. Then go to File, then Open and select your image. Now increase the contrast to give the image a more realistic look. To do this, go to Colors, then Curves. Then apply a slight S-curve to enhance contrast as shown in the video. Now we're going to sharpen the image to accentuate contours and edges. To do this, go to Filters, Enhance, and Sharpen. Then set the sharpening to 50 to 75%. Then click OK. Now, use the GIMP plugin to smooth homogeneous areas while preserving edges. To do this, go to Filters, GIMP, then Repair, then select Anisotropic Smoothing. Then click Apply. Then sharpen the image again but with a lower value than before, then apply the same anisotropic smoothing filter again. Then select the smudge tool from the toolbox and set the opacity to 50% for controlled smudging. Then zoom in on the eyes. Then use Linda's Fine Smudge with a small size of about 0.1 and smudge the eyes in circular motions to blend colors and soften edges. Then work from the eyes outward to the nose, mouth, and other facial features. Then increase the brush size for larger areas like the cheeks. Then use small circular smudging motions to blend skin tones and contours. And for hair, switch to Sarset's hair brushes. Then use a large brush size and follow the direction of the hair strands. Then apply gentle strokes to blend the hair color while maintaining some detail. Now, apply an unsharp mask to enhance final details. To do this, go to Filters, Enhance, then Unsharp Mask. Then set the radius to 2.3, amount to 0.3, then threshold to 0. Then click OK and repeat the filter by pressing Ctrl F. Then use the Dodge and Burn tool to brighten or darken specific areas. Then set the highlights or shadows and adjust the exposure to fine-tune. Then gently paint over the areas to enhance depth and detail. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can now save your image. To do this, go to File, then Export As. Then choose your desired file format, for example PNG or JPEG, and then save your image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.